Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 18th December and the time is roughly around 7:45. Sorry for not making the weekly forecast video yesterday, but we had a very detailed discussion on Sunday webinar on Nifty, Bank Nifty, many stocks, and the one stock which we picked was Balram Purchini, but I never expected the gap up, but we predicted that the bottom was done 2 days before based on fortune signals, and the important date for Balrampur Chini is happening on 20th, and today we clearly said the resistance was 414.95. That was the exact high, and it came down and closed near about the support. We took the again at the support level, but we immediately booked the loss of 1 rupee and then we exited the counter. But today our blockbusters are Indiabulls Housing Finance and REC. And I was expecting some miracle may happen today in Adani Enterprises, but it didn't happen. And two counters we exited with a very small stop loss of the one was UPL and the second was Gujarat Gas. So we both exited, and 70% of the position we exit 70% of the Nifty position was exited, and we completely exited Bank Nifty and Nifty. And 20th, 21st and 22nd is a mega combination is happening in Nifty, so it's going to give a trending move. And before that, it is clearly showing today based on a very small candle, and that too is the inside bar candle in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. So something big is going to happen in the next 3 days, which is 20th, 21st and 22nd. I'll be happy to see if tomorrow, if there is no movement in Nifty and the number converge on tomorrow night, then it's going to be a gala time for 20th, 21st and 22nd. Let's go and see all that. And okay, so now I don't want to talk anything on the graph. Let's go and see the important dates and numbers. So now today is the cyclic date for Bank Nifty. So kindly mark, I already marked the high, I already marked the low. Whichever side it breaks, you can simply take a call, and the stop loss is very small because of the very small candle today. And coming to Nifty, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, and also the 20th also is combining here. 20th also is combining here. So it's going to be a gala time for Nifty from 20th to 22nd. Anyway, 22nd is holiday. So 23rd is holiday. So this combination will have a major impact in Nifty. So you are getting a combo date because of GAN. So many things are happening inside this 3 days. So watch out. It's going to be a mega trending move. Okay, and coming to the numbers. So we gave the weekly numbers today, and it is not able to close above, it is not able to close below, and it closed in between. And if you see, the difference is small. It means if it close above this for half an hour, the move will be like this. If it close below this for half an hour, the move will be like this. If it is going to trade within this range, it will eat all our brain. And apart from that, Astro also saying till Sunday it is going to be range bound market, but I will not go with it. According to me, my numbers matters a lot rather than Astro. So this is the number which we need to focus for this week. So all the 6 was trading only within the minor number. So watch it. Whichever side it's going to break, it is going to give a phenomenal move in the next 3 days. And on Sunday, I clearly said, based on the past, we may see, I am again saying, I may go wrong also, but based on the past, on 21st of December, we may see a big red candle in Nifty. The possible percentage are 1.41% and the maximum is 3.45%, and it is happening on the expiry day. It is happening on the expiry day. So watch out on 21st. This is based on the past. I may go wrong also. So first 15 minutes high and low. First 15 minutes high and low on 21st December will decide everything. I am not telling you to take the short portion today itself or tomorrow morning itself and then crying later point of time. I am not telling that. I am telling the past pattern is showing a red candle on this day. So kindly watch out. If the God is going to give this percentage to you, say thanks to God and enjoy your enjoy your new year. Okay, so that's what it is. Now coming to so now this was the two today. It really rocked, and we exited UBL and Gujarat Gas with a minor loss with no momentum. And again 20th to 22nd are a very crucial date. And coming to timings for tomorrow, the first 15 minutes timing in Nifty, and this is going to be a very crucial. This is going to be very crucial. And for Bank Nifty, it is positional. This candle is positional candle. This candle is a positional candle. These are all intraday candle, but this candle is a positional candle. So mark the high and low and take the trade based on whichever side it closes on 320 tomorrow in Bank. Okay, and numbers wise nothing to worry about it. Number wise nothing to worry about it. All in green, and Nifty is not able to Nifty is not able to close above this number, and more or less if you go here, and that is our buy number also. So there is no question of going long in Nifty at this point of time, and our number is this one 21316, and more or less that number is converged here at more or less that's an exact number in which it happened. Okay, so this is actually a cycle. I have already explained how this numbers works on my Sunday webinar, how this cycle works, and you can also predict 1-2 days before that. And coming to Bank Nifty, and we clearly said this number holds the key. This number holds the key. Last week itself we said this number holds the key. Exactly, Bank Nifty opened today at this number. Exact ditto. Not even 1 rupee extra or 1 rupee lower. This was the opening price of Bank Nifty today, and we wrote this yesterday itself on Sunday itself, and I was posted this number in my Telegram channel to my people or those who attended the webinar on Sunday. I gave this exact number, and that is where Bank Nifty opened, and it is not able to sustain above this number even for 5 minutes. Okay, so now the sell is here 47,750, and now it is trading within this number. So whichever side it breaks, the target will open. And this is the pivot number for the week. Exactly, it opened at the pivot number. And if you go here, one number has become bearish, but this is not the vital position. We need two more red color number. Once the second also becomes the red, then you can expect a downside move in Bank Nifty on 20th, 21st and 22nd. Until these major numbers are in blue, you don't need to worry about it. And this one number knows everything. For this week. Above this number is bullish, below this number is bearish. Again, when you go to Nifty, above this number is bullish, below this number is bearish. So use it wisely, and that's all. Nothing more to add in this video. Again, saying I am not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework and consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. But really this guy is rocking like mad, and that is why we always say that this guy is associated with this planet. beautiful move today, and it was rocker. And two big stocks we missed today. One was IRCTC and second was Siemens. We missed today actually, but anyway, we cannot track all the stocks and to enter. But the REC was a real killing because and that too that if you go to India Bulls today, we gave entry, and the stop loss was 20 paisa. The stop loss was 20 paisa for India Bulls, and we gave the target also. I think 2 o'clock we started entering, yeah, and where is it? I don't know where I have that. Yeah, so this is where we entered, and this counter is in our radar. This counter is in our radar from the beginning of the month, because this counter had a highest combo this month. So we are tracking, but this guy came out of ban only yesterday. So we are waiting for the opportunity to enter IBUL, and we said very clearly that till it holds 216 to above 225, it will do 238, 243, 251 and 256. So if you go to India Bulls here, if you go to 1 minute, so here it gave a sell, and if you see this small candle, this is where the magic happened. None of the candle closed below, and we waited for the opportunity, and this candle gave a thumbs up to us, and then we entered and we got all the targets. More or less 3 targets was done, and see after the move how it gave the move. A phenomenal move today. Okay, from here, even if you take 223, it went to 234, but our target is 238. So break above 238, the next target is 251. There is one more intermediary target in between, so that also I mentioned there. So it's a phenomenal rally, and apart from that, today REC had a 6 combination date in REC today. And if you go to 1 minute time frame, this is where we entered. I clearly said in the morning, mark the first 15 minutes high and low and take the trade, and this was the candle. I explained how we went long in my Telegram channel also, and this is where we entered, and exactly it went to 441, where we exited some quantity, and the remaining we took delivery, and we are holding REC for tomorrow, because this is the G cell it gave, and none of the candle closed below this G cell. So we are still holding it, and because this is a positional bet. And if you go to 15 minutes time frame, absolutely there is no problem. And today the big miss was IRCTC. So this is in 1 minute time frame, and if you go to 15 minutes time frame in IRFC, so the buy came. The buy came where the buy came. Yeah, the buy came here in G buy. The buy came here around 686 in 15 minutes time frame, and it gave a sell, but there is no G sell. We need to exit only when you get a genuine sell. Then otherwise these are all noises. So then it started moving up in 15 minutes. There is no red candle in 15 minutes, and there is no red candle in 15 minutes. And if you go to 1 minute time frame today, this was the phenomenal move. Actually we missed this complete rally, and the move started here with the fake sell in 1 minute, and from 9:19 this was a one-sider move. Whenever it came and touches the blue, it was a real rocker to see IRCTC in 1 minute today. Anyway, that's how system works for us. Okay, so and yesterday we the one counter which we predicted is Balrampur Chini, where the bottom is done. Why? Because this was my webinar stuff. We said very clearly that we got a genuine sell, and we clearly mention if this candle low is done, if this candle low is held, again it will go and touch here. And we clearly predicted the top will happen on this rate, which is 475.10. 475.10. So now if you go here, if you put Balrampur Chini 475.1. Okay, so we said this on 23rd. We said this on 23rd November that Balram mega resistance is 475.10, close above the big breakout on the cards, and we gave this on 23rd of November, and it went and touched this number on 30th of November. 30th of November. Then it started coming down because of the government announcement and all that, and it gave a sell. It gave a fake sell here. And we said yesterday in our Sunday webinar, if this holds, the bottom is done, because this is a G cell candle where this is a trap. Whether the government is again revoking whatever they said, that is all noise. That is all simple noise. You should not look what these people are talking. You need to watch only your system. Your system knows much better than the government. Believe me. So then today it was a gap up, and we clearly said the resistance is here, which is 414.95 is the resistance, and exactly that the high was 414.95. So if you go here, and this was the message which I posted today, 414.95. 414.95, and that was the exact high. Again it came down, and then we took a position in 15 minutes time frame here. I took a position here, but immediately we closed because this is our stop loss and it triggered. But till it holds this 395, nothing to worry. But now we need a confirmation again to go long in this counter, So system will predict everything. The government news, everything will come later. This is what we discussed on Sunday. This is the only counter which we discussed on Sunday. And in case if the stock is going to come down, again I am telling, it will take a support here in this area up to 364. It may, in case if it comes down, it will take a support here, and then it will go like this. Wait and watch and enjoy the show of Balram. Last month this was the peak. Balrampur Chini was the peak for the November, and if you go here, Balram peak of November, and we gave this long before, I don't know where we crossed. Peak of November, yeah, I think this is on 2nd of November. So we said the Balrampur Chini is going to be the peak for November based on time cycle, and the entry was at 423, and from there it went to 470. So that's how it is. Nothing more to add in this video. Again saying, I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decisions. See you soon tomorrow with the magical number of Nifty, and if there is any combo timing today, no, most of them there is no update in my Telegram channel, because Nifty was literally sleeping. So both the indices were literally sleeping, and I told you very clearly that based on the cyclic date for Bank Nifty, first 15 minutes high and low will do the needful for today, and entire day Bank Nifty traded only within that 15 minutes high and low. That's all, nothing it did today. So let's see. I'll be praying that tomorrow also it should do like this, so that the number will get converged on tomorrow's night. Then we are going to have a gala time on 20th, 21st and 22nd of December. Okay. In case if 22nd of December, in case if it makes the bottom, then the high will happen on 1st of January. Okay. That's all. See you soon tomorrow. Until then, goodbye.